Okay, in this video, what we're going to look at is topic sentences. So if we highlight our topic sentence here, we see battle is not an easy thing to participate in or win. Okay, so that tells us probably that our paragraph is going to have something to do with battles, participating in them or winning them for certain. But it does not incorporate the main ideas of what we want our Canterbury Tales specifically to incorporate. In a topic sentence for the Canterbury Tales, you need to include your pilgrim, right? So our knight, and he needs to connect to his tale. So when you're writing your topic sentences, you need to include both those items and some sort of topic, which in this case seems to be something about a battle. So let's see, a good topic sentence might read something like this. Chaucer's knight displays let's see, he displays what? Something about battles, because he's in so many battles and he prevails. Chaucer's knight displays maybe prevalence in battle and thus portrays his lead characters as strong warriors. Now, period. All right, that may or may not be the best topic sentence here, but if you notice, you have the elements you need. All right, so you have Chaucer's knight, comparing it to his tale, right? His lead characters, and we're talking about battle. So we're connecting it both to the knight and the tale in this case. Okay, that is one example. Okay, so looking at this second example here, we see a topic sentence throughout the partner's tale. His choice of characters has immense influence on the story. All right, well, that's close. You know, it has some of the relevant items here throughout the partner's tale. So we know we're going to be doing some analysis on partner's tale. And it says something here about his choice of characters having an influence on this story. But it doesn't give us the one piece the other piece we're looking for, which is what about the partner? Okay, how does he relate to his tale? He's telling a tale on purpose that reflects him. So as we read further through this paragraph, we see that our girl here is showing us that he's a noble ecclesiast. He knows how to read his audience. He has the trait of manipulation, and how he delivers his sermons, let's say. She says again how the choice of characters is important to the development, etc., etc. Okay, so now you have to use those clues in your paragraph if you don't have a good topic sentence to recreate your topic sentence, having all the items you need inside of it. So for example, here you want to talk about, let's say, the partner's trait of manipulation is displayed through his 3 rioters. Okay, or you could talk about how it's displayed through his use of an allegory, because that's the way he preaches. He preaches to get money. He's using an allegory, this tale, which totally makes sense because he's a preacher. So you could talk about his manipulation of choosing this tale, which reflects who he is. Okay, so these are 2 really good examples on both of these slides on taking what you have, which could be a closed topic sentence, but seeing maybe why it is not a perfect topic sentence and how possibly you could fix it. All right, hopefully this was helpful.